Meaning of high jump.
High jump.
High jump.
High jump.
High jump. High jump is a track and field event in which athletes jump over a horizontal bar at increasing heights without knocking the bar down. The objective is to clear the bar with the greatest possible height while using various techniques such as the Fosbury flop or the scissor kick. The result of a high jump competition is determined by the highest height cleared by each athlete within a set number of attempts. The athlete who clears the highest height is declared the winner. The high jump requires a combination of skill, athleticism, and mental fortitude to succeed.